Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video session, I am going to solve week 12 assignment of advanced computer architecture, and this is the last assignment of this course. So I would like to thank you all my friends and students, those who are supporting me, and wish you all the best for this exam. And I am telling you from my experience that review all the assignment 1 to assignment 12, so you may get 40 to 50% similar question, not exact question, similar question in this exam. Okay, maybe 60%. Okay, we never know. Okay, so let's start this assignment with question number 1. Select the correct option based on the following statements regarding log set algorithm. Statement 1. For each variable, its log set initially has no logs. Statement 2. The log sets of threads are initially empty. The answer will be the log sets of threads are initially empty. Because for each variable its log set initially has all logs. Okay, so I select only S2 is true. Now moving into the next question, question number 2. Which of the following is a pattern found in modern programming languages that is falsely reported to be a data race even though it is safe? Choose the most appropriate answer. Options are initialization, read-only variables, read-write pattern, and the answer will be all of the above. Sorry, all of the options. Okay, so I select this one. Now question number 3. Select the correct option based on the following statements regarding vector clocks. The options are: a process increments its local clock before sending a message and after receiving a message. Statement 2. Vector clock Vi is said to proceed vector clock Vj if each entry in the first vector clock Vi is greater than or equal to the corresponding entry Vj. Here statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. Okay, because in statement 2 vector clock Vi is said to proceed vector clock Vj if each entry in the first vector clock Vi is less than or equal to corresponding entry in Vj. Okay, so this option is correct. Now question number 4. Consider the following statements regarding vector clocks. Statement 1. Two vector clocks are always comparable with each other. And statement 2. Vi less than Vj with relation Ei to Ej for two events Ei and Ej. Here only statement 2 is correct. Okay, only statement 2 is true. Because two vector clocks are not always comparable with each other. Okay, so I select this one. Now question number 5. Disjoint access parallelism is defined as a property of a parallel program where two threads can execute the dash set of statements concurrently if they access dash sets of data. So answer will be same set of statements concurrently if they access different. Okay, so this will be the answer. Now get into question number 6. Two transactions are said to have a conflict in which of the following conditions? The conditions are: one transaction reads something that the other transaction writes. Option 2, the two transactions write to the same variable. Option 3, if the read sets of the two read transactions overlap. Okay. The answer will be option 2. The two transactions write to the same variable. Because one transaction actually writes something that the other transaction reads, then conflict will be happen. Okay, and if the read set of the transaction overlap, then there will be no conflict. Okay, so option 2 will be the answer. Only 2. Now question number 7. The dash concurrency control does not have significant overheads in hardware based systems, and that is pessimistic. Okay, and whereas the concurrency control is well suited for software transactional memory systems, and that is optimistic. Okay. Sometimes dash a transaction is the best choice for concurrency control to avoid a possible deadlock, sometimes aborting. Okay, so the answer will be pessimistic, optimistic, and abortive. So I select this one. Now get into the question number 8. The dash version management method is very efficient for large transactions that abort very infrequently, and dash are more expensive than dash in lazy version management, and the answer will be eager version management method is very efficient for large transactions that abort very infrequently, and commits are more expensive than aborts in lazy version management. Okay, so the answer will be this one. So I select this one. Now question number 9. Single log atomicity uses dash number of logs as compared to disjoint log atomicity. In dash we need not know which variables a transaction is going to process a priori. The answer will be fewer. Single log atomicity uses fewer members of logs as compared to disjoint log atomicity. In disjoint log atomicity, we need not know which variables a transaction is going to access a priori. So the answer will be this one. Okay, so I select this option. Now get into the question number 10, which is the last question of this assignment. Consider the following statements regarding correctness conditions for parallel programs and select the most appropriate option. Statement 1. Serializability states that it should be possible to order the transactions in some sequence such that the result of both the execution are the same. Statement 2. Strict serializability is an extension of serializability where we consider the real-time order as well. Statement 3. Opacity extends strict serializability by saying that it should be possible to order all transactions committed, running or aborted in a linear sequence, and in that case all the options are correct. So S1, S2 and S3 are all true. Okay, so I select this option. So friends, I have completed this assignment. Hope this has benefited you, and once again I would like to thank you all my friends and students, those who are supporting me, and wish you all the best for this exam. Okay. And also I am telling you, please revise all the assignment 1 to assignment 12, so you may get 40 to 50% similar question from this assignment. Okay, please subscribe this channel, like, comment if any, and press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video, for the next semester or next season. Okay, so friends, thank you once again. Jai Hind.